Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off Careem Pay notifications on your Careem app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this and click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile. So then you come to this list here, and that all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then you come to this list here, you click here on communications preferences here, then you come to this list, you just click here on Careem Pay here, then you come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's the main. Careem Pay, it's on off now for notifications, and then can you turn off it for email or SMS here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.